Hi guys, today I'll show you how to use IntelliJ Idea for running a Java program on your Windows computer. So first we'll have to go and install IntelliJ Idea from the internet, from the JetBrains website. Open up the JetBrains website, and in Developer Tools, you can see that it's the first product, IntelliJ Idea. Just go ahead and click on that. And then if you just click the download button here, you'll be redirected to the download link. The Ultimate Edition is the one on free trial, but there is also a community edition which we can use. If you click download, it'll start downloading it right away. Now, I didn't really download it because I already have it installed. But for you guys, you can just go click download, install the software, and you can get started with it. Now, if you open up IntelliJ, you should see this menu. Obviously, you won't have a lot of uh, all of these projects, but you can go ahead, click on the new project file, and then we can type in the name of the project. And for this, I'm going to be giving it a name of demo screencast. Select the version of Java as 11, and then we can click on create to create a new project. Now, this is the program provided by IntelliJ. Once you create a new project, it has the default Hello World printing out to the screen. Now, in order to do this, in order to run a Java program, we can just click on the play button, which you see to the left of the public static void main thing. And once you click on it, it should build the project and print out Hello World to the terminal. Now, as you can see, Hello World is printed out, but in order to do the same thing on using the terminal, we have to cd into our src folder because our main.java file is inside that folder, and then we type in javac main.java in order to compile the Java program. And now the main class file is created, and you can type in Java main to run the Java program. Now, as you can see, we have Hello World printed out to the screen, and IntelliJ provides the same functionality which I showed you with just the press of that button. Now, um, now I can show you a better example using the scanner class in Java, which is used to take in user input. Now, IntelliJ also provides intelligent code completion, and I've used that feature here. And it also automatically imports in the scanner class from the Java library. Now, I'm gonna just type type uh type out enter your name onto the console and prompt the user for input. And I'm reading in the name the user entered by taking it in the variable called name, and I'm going to print out the name which we have just entered. So now that I have entered out, now that I've written the code for printing all of this out, I'm just going to press the run button, and it's going to build my project and run my program. And I have entered Satyajit, and you can see my name printed out onto the screen as well. We've written out a basic Java program, and now you can go ahead and uh, write your own Java programs and try running them in IntelliJ. Good luck.